What do you have to say about Apple, Adidas, BMW, and Coca-Cola?
And this logomaker.com without the ER. With this, you can make a logo for your dropshipping business.
Welcome to Winning Products.
Before we progress further, if you find the content on this channel valuable and you are new to this channel, please like. Remember to subscribe.
We're going to make a logo for this product called the Nutrition Catnip Ball Dust Cover. Round safe catnip snack, leak candy vitamin pudding, catnip and lollipop for cats, eating ragdoll. The domain name is available on namecheap.com, nutritiouscard.com. So we're going to name the logo on create is called Nutritious and Cats. So we'll start by clicking Start My Design. So click on it, it loads. Then we're going to choose create a new design, then choose cats here, and choose any of this cat shape design. We can choose this one if we want to. This is what we use to drag it all around. So as you can see, you can drag and drag, and then we resize it. You can resize it this way and this way. Okay. Go further by clicking on the text icon to give it a name. Click on text. We're also going to drag this using the hand this because you can't type here currently, but let's type, then we'll drag that later. So we're going to type nutritious nutritious. As we've done that, you can resize this if you want to. We have to drag this down. And this is what we used to drag down. This arrow key is all we're going to drag down. We can change this font family. As you can see, change the font family. Let's check. We can change to Lilita +1 because that font family I choose to use for this Nutritious Cat logo. We can also reduce I think the font size should be able to reduce the font size by using this drag to resize to reduce the font size. I'm also going to drag here nutritious. Then I'm going to type in another text called cats. We're going to increase this, then drag it down. Now, if you look at the logo color, if you look at the color of this product, it shows yellow and green. So we're going to use that as our font color for this product. I'm going to click on the first text and come over here section and choose orange. Then click on the second, come over here and choose green. Isn't this beautiful? Yeah, it's beautiful. We are not done yet. We're going to copy and paste this catnip and candle, which is Jesus and for cats. We're going to paste it below here. I'm going to click Ctrl V and resize it, resize the shape, and place this under here. We're going to resize it again, place it under here. So this is our logo for that product. And group it. Options. I see send to back, send to front, send backward, send forward, copy, paste, duplicate, flip horizontally. Group it. That is such. Now, for us to download this, you click on save. It's processing. Almost done. And this how it looks. Example for how the logo looks, and how it looks on a t-shirt that is print on demand business. That is for print on demand business. That is if the print on a shirt, t-shirt, this is how it's going to look. Now don't click on download your files, because if you do so, for example, let's click on download your files. It's going to go to this page that demands for high resolution, and one design $29 one-time fee, high resolution. As a beginner into dropshipping, you want to reduce cost, I suggest you click download low resolution PNG file, * legal requirements and terms. So when you click on search, download free low resolution file, accept. You need to accept. I accept and acknowledge the legal terms with downloading the free file. Click on it. Download. Your file has been downloaded to your computer. Click here for direction how to legally lose the file. This site is on the computer, and I click on it. This is the logo. Doesn't it look beautiful? I believe it does. Then this is how direction how to use it. Click here for directions on how to legally use it. You have to credit logo maker, but in your dropshipping store, since it's a one product dropshipping store, that is, if you are going to create this one product dropshipping store, you don't need to create logo maker in your store. And you can do so at maybe the hidden section in your settings, or section in your Shopify store to credit logo maker for such a design. Since you use their website for free, click here for direction how to legally use the file. You click open them. So legal comments for free. You can read this, and let's look at the legal comments for free downloads. You may use a free file under the following legal terms. Attribution: you must give appropriate and legal credit through a link to logomaker.com app for online web use only. That's for personal use. For online web use only. Non-commercial use: you may not use the design for commercial, sold or print purposes. Share: you may not redistribute no matter any medium or format. Print: not legally allowed. Notice: free files have no warranties and are logo maker property unless the license is purchased for full ownership. Logo maker is not legally responsible for the context in which the material is used. Okay. And you can come over to FIVERR. There are links of different professional FIVERR sellers on the video description of this YouTube channel. So when you go to the video description channel, the first link description, you're going to see the links of different logo design sellers, freelancers on FIVERR. Now, one may ask, what is FIVERR? If you're just seeing FIVERR for the first time, FIVERR is a freelancing platform where freelancers sell their services. So once you come over to FIVERR, you click on join. You can either join with your Facebook page, join with your Gmail, directly from your Gmail. For example, you click on join. I say continue with Facebook. You're going to take it to you previously logged in to FIVERR with Facebook. So you click on join, you continue with Facebook, you log in with Facebook, you join as a buyer. You can either join directly with your Gmail or you type your email and continue. Once you join, it will take you to the logo sellers on FIVERR that you need to create a professional logo for your dropshipping business.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.